I'm doing the record.
Niggas ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, niggas bad, boy. Cause I fucked your chick. Oh, niggas bad, boy. Cause they on my dick. Oh, niggas bad, boy. Cause I bought my shit. Oh, niggas bad, boy. When time get home, he hit that lick. Oh, niggas mad, boy. Cause John hit that pit. Oh, niggas mad, boy. Cause we fucked that bitch. Oh, niggas mad, boy. Cause we did that shit. I'm about to tell you some real shit when you down in this bitch, yo niggas. Real niggas. To the left of me. Zone 18, yeah, to the death of me.
True that.
Real niggas shit be the recipe. Bitch niggas, they keep on testing me. I tell niggas they get low. Bad bitches all on the floor. Money, I throw it, but the nigga coming back, I get more. You know me, I got the flow. You know BD, he got it though. Hit Helens and Sonny Mark, you know they gave me 5, yo. I'm catching out.
ATM.
Y'all nigga be wild though.
Wild.
You know me, on my style P. A nigga got that style though. I'm low key with bad bitches. Low key with big riches. I'm still fucking bad bitches. Y'all still fucking them ugly bitches. I tell them niggas, come on, hop on the dick. That's why you mad though, cause young BJ getting rich. That's why you mad,
shit.
boy. You looking sad, boy. I'm pulling up in caddies. You in that hoopty, boy. Yeah. That's why you mad, yo. Cause we fucking bitches. That's why you mad though. Cause we getting riches. That's why you mad though, cause I'm with my niggas. That's why you mad though, cause Keith got them killers.
That's why you mad though,
Hey,
cause niggas know I got them killers.
hey,
That's why you sad though, cause your whole family got stitches. That's why you bag though, toe tag niggas, no sadness. Niggas know Young Keith come through for show madness. I got bitches, I got niggas, I got everything I need though. All I need is a couple bad bitches, real niggas in my weed though. I blow that big tree though. You know I go no sneeze though, so don't bless me cause I'm blessed though. You know me, I bless so. You know Young Keith pulling up like I'm blessed so, and I don't play for no team, no. More like for my team, no. Young Keith on this shit. You know me, I lean with no lean, no. You know me, Young Keith, and I'm all white on my bleach shit. You know me, Young Keith, I be on that get money quick shit. You know me, Young Keith, I be on my straight getting it. And if you didn't know, peace up. Cause my shirt is straight to religion, bitch, and my jeans on some
I got next,
shit.
yo. I don't keep recording, yo. I got hold it, yo.
Shit. He be recording, you know, Young Keith, he just be scoring, and these niggas out here talking shit, but they ain't important, you know. Young Keith, if you got it, you know, he is straight important. If you know Young Keith, then you know, he about them Benjamins. I take a bitch and take a friend and take a sister, take a kin and take her back to my dungeon. Dick her out and kick her out. Young Keith put that dick in her mouth and he don't even know about her. Next morning, whole time her friends is joining. I'ma pass that to my man John and he gon' go forth and deep like it's long and I'ma toss it to him like Flacco. You know, Young Keith he be wacko. You know, Young Keith be in the Super Bowl. Ballin' hard, you know, we super gold. 4 for long, it ain't nothing to me. You know, Young Keith, he be blunt and be. And the Young Keith, that's be jizzle. John, now we got cheeks though, but I ain't pass the camera to that. Keith, you know, he be leeching though, like blood on a vampire. Young Keith, he got them vampires. That's nighttime to the daytime. From daytime to the nighttime. Stay grinding and stay shining.
This nigga BJ, though. Look.